Is your EA app stubbornly refusing to open, locking you out of your gaming universe? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, let's make sure the EA app isn't already running in the background. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete simultaneously on your keyboard to bring up the Task Manager. Look for any instances of the EA app or origin if you're migrating from that in the list of running processes. If you find any, select them and click End Task. Next, we'll give the EA app a fresh start by clearing its cache. Head to your Windows settings, then navigate to Apps and then Apps and Features. Find the EA app in the list, click on it, and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click the Terminate button. Once that's done, don't click Reset just yet. We're going to use a more targeted approach for the cache. With settings still open, let's manually clear the cache. Open File Explorer and navigate to your user folder, then go into App Data, then Local, then EA Solutions, and finally EA App. Inside this EA App folder, delete all the contents. Don't worry, this won't delete your games. If clearing the cache didn't do the trick, we can try a clean reinstall. First, uninstall the EA app through the same Apps and Features section in Windows settings we visited earlier. Once uninstalled, visit the official EA website to download the latest version of the EA app installer. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. After the installation is complete, try launching the EA app again. Hopefully, this time, your gateway to gaming is finally open.